What up, stubborn ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen and smashing goals. Another beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and of course, another car problem. Yeah. As you saw from my last video, I did a BLUEDRIVER OBD scanner review, which I used on the 2007 Pontiac G5, my daily driver, my daily freaking headache. In that video, the code was a P0128, which was for the thermostat on this 2007 Pontiac G5. So today, he's gonna do it. Yeah. Because as much as I love cars, I don't like working on them. So it's a good time for him to learn.
Let's just pray this car doesn't blow up.
What?
Nothing.
And as always, I like to start by laying down my tools and going over that. We're gonna need, obviously, the thermostat. We're gonna need a 10 millimeter, as always. Hopefully you didn't lose yours. I have a couple extensions here because I don't know which one I'm gonna need. I don't know how far down it actually is. And of course we're gonna need, I love power tools, but for the sake of this, just to keep it simple, we're gonna go with the all reliable. You're gonna need Dex Cool because this is a GM. Oh, what the hell's oat? This is the 50/50 pre-diluted, so don't add water. Hopefully a gallon is enough. If not, I'll just go back to
O'Reilly.
Sponsor me.
Wow.
And we're gonna need a bucket because as soon as you loosen up the bolts, a lot of the fluids is gonna flute out. This is a 2007 Pontiac G5. Should be the same on the Cobalts. Should be the same on the Saturns. Every vehicle that came out with the Ecotech engine is gonna be about the same.
All right, so what you're gonna do first is remove this little cover thing here. Wait, which way does this turn? Lefty loosey. That's
still righty tighty.
My bad.
Bruh, you gonna righty tighty the shit. Dang on, boy.
What? There you go, just like that.
You gotta use your big boy muscles.
So then wiggle this top piece off.
Down in the yonders. As you see right there is a thermostat housing. That's what we're gonna be working with. It's held on by two 10 millimeter bolts and the hose clamp right there. As you see, it's kind of deep in there, so that's why I have different size extensions. And hopefully your engine is not like this. Look at this. This thing is just, I might as well take all this off. This is just driving around it. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but this kid was driving by, said I have a Skyline, the one that goes for $1 million. I fucking wish. And of course, if you're new to the channel, this is my 91 Nissan Skyline Jeter. Once this channel gets 1,000 subscribers, this baby's gonna get a major upgrade in horsepower. So stay tuned, subscribe. All right, so reach on down in there in the yonder. Can't really zoom in with the GoPro, but that's a bolt right there. And right under that is another bolt. All right, so we're in there. We're down there. We put all my extensions on it so he could reach. And now go ahead, turn it. This is actually why I always use power tools. But this boy can use them daggone muscles. He's only 47.
How am I older than you?
Well, it's time we have a talk.
All right, I got it.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, don't let the bolt just go down there and then lose it. Now, the other bolt is down here. I'm gonna make sure we don't lose the bolts and we'll be right back. It's gonna be normal for the coolant to come out as soon as you loosen both bolts, so don't worry. And don't forget your bucket at the bottom. You're gonna make a little mess, I'm not gonna lie. Thing kind of sprayed everywhere, but he's down there. Hopefully he's getting it.
Yeah. You can see it's all going into my little bucket there.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, it'll be coming out for a little bit. And the ours is just starting to stop leaking fluid. It is gonna smell like rotting fish, but it should be fine. You might not die.
I mean, don't drink the coolant. And boom, there's your thermostat. Easy peasy. Here's the old one. As you see, the whole gasket is missing. That should have this. So I'm looking down there and I don't see it. Found it. So obviously this is supposed to be gasket sealed, so that's why the old one was. No. Look at my hands. Oh my god, y'all better subscribe and hit the like button. Danny out here actually getting dirty instead of dang on playing Fortnite.
I want to play Fortnite. It's Call of Duty. It's all about Call of Duty.
Anyways, the hard part is over. And honestly, I didn't even have to move the clamp for the hose. Unless, yeah, no, I didn't even have to move the clamp for the hose. It just comes out. There you have the, can't really get it out of the way. There it is. There you have it. That's where the gasket goes in. It can only go in one way, I think. I'm pretty sure. Same way you took it out is the same way you're gonna put it back in. Look, Danny. See it? So, we were able to move the whole housing from this angle. This hose right here is part of what holds the housing. We were able to move it, and through these wires right here, reach down in there, and easy peasy, thermostat's in its place. Now we just gotta bolt it up. We're gonna start by hand because we don't want to cross thread these, because that sounds like whew. Take a good look, ladies. He's 45 and he can wrench his own car. Fine, he's not 45, he's 24.
Oh, yeah. I got this one.
Look at those muscles. All right, get on the top one. That boy's a dirty boy.
Hey, yo. All right, that one should be good.
All right, nice. And just like that, it's on there. It's not coming off. Like I said, I didn't even have to move. I saw another video where the dude unclamped that little hose, but that didn't even get in the way. So you don't have to do it. I didn't do it. Now that that is over, put the cover back on. Man, we should definitely clean that.
Next video. Definitely make sure this goes in the right place.
Woo!
I'm actually almost taller than my brother.
Whoa, you grew a lot. That's crazy.
Yep.
What are you, like 37?
Hey, don't turn into.
I'm only 24. Ha!
I thought you were 47.
Oh.
We did it!
Nope.
Ew. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, be part of another game so we drop new content, you don't miss out on our goofball shenanigans, because your favorite YouTuber is not getting dirty like this.
Yeah.
Your favorite YouTuber is not getting dirty like this. Show them your hands. What the?
Oh, your hands are, my hands are still dirty and I use dish soap.
He doesn't know how to shower. How do you feel?
Pretty good, you know. Think plus 10 strength and plus 10 intelligence.
How do you feel about the job? Whoa. Not bad for a, I mean, you know, a mechanic would have probably charged you
about $100.
probably $100,
No,
150. I'll take it out of your rent.
Oh, wow.
A mechanic would have charged you a lot for that, and it only took us about 5 minutes.
Maybe even just a little bit more.
It took us a little longer just because the camera, holding the camera and, you know, trying to angle, stuff like that. Sausage fingers. Like burnt sausage fingers. Hey, yo, why you laughing that hard? Here's where you put in the coolant. Never open when hot. To bleed the system, you're gonna fill this up to the fill line, and with the cap off, you're gonna turn the vehicle on with the heater on full blast. And you're gonna feel that your heat is gonna be cold for a while. You're gonna turn it on full blast with the cap off, running the engine at 2,000 RPMs until you feel that your heat is actually hot. Then you're gonna check this. You might have to do it, I don't know, maybe once or twice. I only had to do it twice. I didn't lose that much coolant, so there was not much air in the system. The check engine light is gonna be on probably for a few miles. You're gonna have to drive it and it'll reset itself. Or if you have the BLUEDRIVER, like I do, then you can use that to reset it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something.
Like I said, +10 intelligence.
Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. As always, see you on the next one.
Peace.